Hello, lovelies. Just a quick one. Today we are making stir-fried noodles. You will love this one. Let's get started. Into a pan, I pour in water. I then cover it and bring it to boil. Good job. Now I add in salt. Add my noodles. I'm using 2 packs. And then I cover it and allow it to cook. I will be using 4 eggs for my noodles. So in a bowl, I go ahead and break in all the 4 eggs. Now I add fresh tomato, onion, spring onion, salt to my taste. I said to my taste, okay, and then I mix all together. Today is 17th June 2026. Ghana meet Panama. We can't wait. Now back to our noodles. So I'll then go ahead, give it a quick stir. Let's check the tenderness. Oh, perfect. We set that aside. Please remember to drain the water out and don't cover the noodles after draining the water out, okay? So in a pan, I pour in oil, then I added my sausage and then I stir fry for about a minute. Wow, perfect. This is what we are looking for. So at this point, I go ahead and then I add in my eggs. Hello there. If today is your first time of seeing my channel, my name is Mariam. Please take a second and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to check on your girl. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Those who always ask for the list of the ingredients. The truth is that anytime that I post something here, I always list the ingredients in the description, okay? But I don't mind. If you still want me to list the ingredients in the comment for you, I will do that. Why not? Now I add my noodles, add some onion, cabbage, seasoning, chili powder. This chili powder, I made it myself. It's very hot. A little goes a long way. So I don't joke with it. Now I add in a teaspoon of dark soy sauce and then I stir fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. So, fellow Ghanaians, are we winning tonight? Ghana and Panama, are we winning? To me, I think we are winning. That is why I'm making these noodles. Are we going to bed whilst smiling or crying? What do you think, fellow Ghanaians? We can't wait to Black Stars. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. We are winning. Believe it or not, we are winning. And this is the outcome of our simple and quick stir fried noodles, and I hope you're going to try it at home. Trust me, you will love it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in my next one, please stay blessed and also pray for Black Stars as we meet Panama tonight.